Hello and welcome to my video about GCF factoring. GCF stands for Greatest Common Factor, and here are a bunch of example questions. We're just going to try a bunch and explain them as we go, and that's it. So pretty simple topic. Factor the following using GCF, Greatest Common Factor. So what we're going to do is just try to take out anything that's the same in all the different terms. So in this case, there's x in the left term, okay, but there's no x over here in the right term. So we can't take out an x, so we only look at the numbers. Okay, so we look at what number can divide 4 and 16 evenly. Okay, if you're wondering about how to do that, take a look at my last video as it helps with this. So 4 divides both evenly, so we now go 4 divided by 4 is 1, 16 divided by 4 is 4, and now we're done. Okay, pause the video, try this one out. Alright, so here we have 3, 12, and 9. So if we just look at the numbers, then we find that 3 can divide each one evenly. So x squared plus 4, so 12 divided by 3 is 4x, and then minus 3 in there. So negative 9 divided by 3 is negative 3. That's where we got that from. All right, take a look at this one here. We've got x's in all of them and no numbers. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at the lowest degree, and you're going to take that out. So we're going to take out an x squared out of all of these. So we're going to get x squared divided by x squared. Let's actually write this on the side, which equals 1. Then we're going to do x to the 5th divided by x squared, which equals x to the 3. Remember, we're just subtracting the exponents, so plus x to the 3. X cubed divided by x squared, which gives x, so plus x. And now what I'd like to say is you should always put these in descending order, so x squared and then in brackets x cubed plus x plus 1. Always do it in descending order. It just makes it work out better, and you can see if you can continue factoring more easily. So we're going to do that every time. Okay, something I want you to take a look at is these next ones. So we've got some here now with numbers and with variables. So what you're going to do is deal with the numbers first. So here we can divide by 3 everywhere. And in the x's, we look at all the x's and we notice that degree 2 is the lowest degree, so we're going to take that out. Now we're going to check the numbers. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. X to the 8 divided by x to the 2, we just subtract the exponents, is 6. Negative 6 divided by 3 is negative 2. X to the 4 divided by x squared, you subtract the exponents, is x squared. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And x squared divided by x squared is 1. So it's 1 times 1, or 1. Okay, last type of thing here is if we have a negative in front, you should notice that your highest degree term is in front and it has a negative. That's a problem. We don't like this negative. So take out a negative, GCF the negative. So negative 1, there's an automatic 1 here. Negative 1 divided by negative 1 is positive 1. Automatic positive 1 there, right? But we're not going to write all that stuff out. We're just going to get rid of all those ones. Okay, negative 4 divided by negative 1 is positive 4x. Negative 2 divided by 1, negative 1 is positive 2. All right, let's continue on. There are 2 more questions here. I recommend you pause the video now and try them out for yourself. All right, so here in this first one, we can take out a 3x everywhere. So we have 10x squared plus 8x cubed minus 5. Remember that we want to go in descending order in terms of degrees, so 8x cubed plus 10x squared minus 5. Looking at the next one here, we notice that the highest degree term has a negative, so we have to take out a negative answer. And we can take out a 3, and we can take out an x. So we're going to do all parts all at once in this question. So negative 9 divided by negative 3 is positive 3. X cubed divided by x is x squared. 3 divided by negative 3 is negative 1. X squared divided by x is x. Negative 12 divided by negative 3 is positive 4. And x divided by x is nothing. So we are going to end it right there. Yeah, so this video is just about GCF, and I hope it helped you better understand it a little bit better. Good luck.